pulls me that way.
Let's go. Yeah, you...
Oh, what the fuck?
Damn it.
Oh my god, there's so much dirt.
Okay, let's see.
Someone got a shovel.
Here we go.
Let's go, girl.
They're moving. Get it. Pull, pull.
Now that dirt is stuck. It's like digging into it, so then it's accumulating
Can I give up?
the dirt.
It's like digging a trench when you pull it.
Like, that didn't cross my mind that we'd get all cut up.
Oh, that's
That was like never a thought.
Yeah.
It was
I
just
mean,
like,
my legs are still like fucked up, but not.
I was like lifting in the forest.
Do I go whenever?
All right, Maya, let's go.
She's got such a gentle little one.
Here we go. Moving. Okay,
There you go.
let's go.
There you go.
Nice. All right. Whew.
That was great.
That was
tired.
hard. How do your calves feel running up that hill?
I was thinking, let's see how much.
They feel like shit. Yeah.
handholds over here.
That was fun.
Alright, next up,
Me.
yeah.
Let's see how this goes.
GoPro.
Ah, shit. I actually don't know
Let's
if
go,
it's
D.
caught on anything or my hands just can't do shit.
Use your legs.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, fuck! My thumb popped. I give up. That's stuck. That's done. It's stuck on something, but I don't know what it's stuck on.
Let me know if that.
So we're going based off last event, or we'll leave it as is.
So at least keep it.
Oh, my ass. Hold on. Don't.
Nice. Get it.
Damn.
Woo.
Oh god. Hold on. Let me just take a break.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, so what did you do differently?
Oh.
Why did yours go so well?
I think I just kept the momentum going.
All right.
You learn from everybody. What are you gonna do?
Just pull.
You either get
Just
last
don't
place
stop
or
pulling.
first.
Just gonna pull the rope. What's gonna happen?
There you go.
Nice.
Come on.
Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh.
The rock. There's a rock under the right side. Like right under it. Well,
Shit.
one big pull. Oh, one more.
Oh, shit.
Haley ran so you guys can walk.
Got a rock on my ass.
You guys want to eat?
Yeah, sure.
Listen, we should eat.